Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we are going to show you exactly how to sign out of Google account on Android to help you manage your device's security. This process is essential if you want to switch users or simply remove your data from a specific phone. So now let's get started. Step 1 is to open your Gmail account app on your device, which serves as the main hub for managing all your linked Google services and personal information. Step 2 is to click on the top left corner 3-line menu icon, which opens up the side navigation bar where you can find various folders and app configurations. Step 3 requires you to scroll down and select settings at the bottom of the list, allowing you to access the back-end preferences for your specific email accounts. Step 4 is to select your profile from the list of available accounts, which tells the app exactly which Google identity you are looking to modify or remove. Step 5 is to select the 3-dot icon on the top right corner of the screen to reveal a hidden submenu with advanced account management options. Step 6 is to select Manage Account from that menu, which directs you to the system-level settings where your phone handles all its synchronized data and logins. Step 7 is to select the specific Google account you want to deal with, ensuring that you are targeting the right profile before making any permanent changes. Step 8 is to click on Remove Account to finalize the process, which effectively signs you out and disconnects that Google profile from your Android device entirely. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.